Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Easier said than done. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let's start with an example of misunderstanding. Imagine someone saying they'll climb Mount Everest tomorrow. It's easier said than done, right? The idiom "easier said than done" means that something is more difficult to achieve than to talk about. It's often used to express skepticism or doubt about achieving a task. To remember the meaning, think of someone talking about climbing Mount Everest without actually doing it. It's easier to talk about than to accomplish. Let me tell you a story. John said he would quit smoking tomorrow. But tomorrow never came. Easier said than done, right? Here are fun facts about the idiom. 1. It's been used in English since the 1500s. 2. It's similar to the French idiom promettre la lune. 3. It's often used in professional settings. 4. It's a reminder that actions speak louder than words. Let's look at some example sentences. 1. I'll start exercising tomorrow. 2. I'll finish the project by Friday. 3. I'll learn a new language this year. All easier said than done, right? Rephrase this sentence. Learning a new language is easier said than done. Learning a new language is more difficult than talking about it. It's challenging to learn a new language. Here's a real-life story. A friend said she would start her own business. I was skeptical, but she did it. Easier said than done, but she made it happen. Other similar expressions include: actions speak louder than words and put your money where your mouth is. Opposite expressions include a piece of cake and no sweat. Related idioms include walk the talk and talk is cheap. Let's test your knowledge. Which of these is an example of the idiom "easier said than done"? A. I love learning new things. B. I'll start studying for the test tomorrow. C. I'm not good at sports. Answer: B. Which of these is a related idiom? A. Talk is cheap. B. No sweat. C. A piece of cake. Answer: A. To summarize, easier said than done means something is more difficult to achieve than to talk about. It's a useful expression for expressing skepticism or doubt. Remember, actions speak louder than words.